name is Hardy and I'm from E2B class. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time there was a little girl. Her name was Goldilocks. She had golden hair. One day Goldilocks was walking in the forest. She saw a house and knocked on the door. She went inside. Nobody was there. Goldilocks saw 3 balls on the table. She was hungry. This porridge is too hot. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. Goldilocks ate all the porridge. Goldilocks was telling out. This chair is too big. This chair is too big too. This chair is just right. But the chair broke. Goldilocks was very tired. She went upstairs. This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right. Soon the bear came home. Someone be eating my porridge, said Daddy Bear. Someone be eating my porridge, said Mommy Bear. Someone be eating my porridge, and it's all gone, said Baby Bear. Someone be sitting on my chair, said Daddy Bear. Someone be sitting on my chair, said Mommy Bear. Someone be sitting on my chair, and it's broke, said Baby Bear. Someone be sleeping in my bed, said Daddy Bear. Someone be sleeping in my bed, said Mommy Bear. Someone be sleeping in my bed, and she's still there, said Baby Bear. Goldilocks went out and saw the 3 bears. Help! She ran downstairs and into the forest. She never came back again. This is the end of my story. Thank you.